I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start by eliminating easy causes. Check the silent switch and do not disturb, because those immediately mute audio. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear transient software glitches. This often restores button mapping. Next, press the volume buttons while watching settings, sounds, and haptics so you see the slider move. This confirms whether the system registers inputs. If the slider does not move, make sure case or debris isn't blocking buttons. Then proceed to the next step. Now you'll isolate software and routing issues. Play a ringtone, then a song, then use speakerphone on a call. Different routes expose different faults. Once done, turn off Bluetooth and AirPlay. A hidden output often reroutes sound. If problems persist, check Settings General Software Update and install any update. Updates fix known audio bugs. If still broken, reset all settings to restore audio defaults without erasing content, and then retest each audio route to confirm a fix. Finish with hardware checks. Gently clean speaker and mic openings. Dirt can muffle sound. If cleaning and resets fail, back up your data and attempt a DFU restore. This fully refreshes firmware and software and often resolves stubborn audio issues. Once done, retest. If the issue remains, it's likely hardware. Contact Apple support or an authorized repair. They can diagnose speaker, logic board, or connector faults. Quick tip: if intermittent, replicate with headphones to confirm whether speaker or system is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.